Here we are. Howdy, got my thank you. Okay. So what time you come back?
9:45.
9:45. So now what time?
Now
Is
7. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 7 o'clock.
2 hour 45.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll see you later.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh dear.
Straight to the hotel.
Wow. Let's find somewhere to sit. Maybe sit here. Hello. Can you help me with some coffee?
Coffee, yes.
Yes, please.
Cappuccino, latte, or black coffee?
Latte, please. Yes. Yes.
Would you,
I want some.
would you like
I'm going to be sitting just here. Get some. I'll have a look around as well. I'll see what there is.
You tell me.
A little bit hungry.
I'll serve for you.
Yes, thank you very
Yes.
much. Yes. Oh, yes, I could have that. Those ones there, yeah.
Yes.
These,
Thai,
the back, yeah,
Chinese
the Thai
style.
ones, yeah. And you have some condensed milk.
Condensed milk.
Yeah. Okay. I'll go and have a look.
So we have
Yeah.
for
No, I'm going to have on the aeroplane,
Yes.
everyone near food later.
egg fried rice.
Oh,
Also,
maybe a little bit.
What about
Yeah.
fried egg, ham, and
Oh,
sausage?
could do fried egg. Fried eggs. I don't want no sausage, just the egg. Have 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Yeah. Oh, maybe some mushrooms.
Yes. This
Yeah. Sauteed mushrooms?
Mushroom, yeah.
Yes. And maybe a nit noi rice. Nit noi,
Okay.
yeah. Can do. Oh, that looks nice. Wow. Very nice. Fantastic. Yes. Thank you. No, I'm okay. Yeah. I get some fruit.
Yes.
Some fruit. I've got some pineapple and some, yeah. Two, yeah, and some of
Yes.
that one. Two of those, that's good.
Some fresh
Maybe some pepper. Yeah.
peppery.
Sour cream, no. A fork.
You like some dressing also?
No, no. Some that. I'm just here, down. I'm sitting here. Thank you so much. Cupcake. Thank you. Wow, it's nice. Oh. Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Sorry.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much. Very good. Thank you. hello. Sorry to interrupt the video. Just to say that if you're interested in and keen to watch new episodes before they come out, the best way to do that is become a Patreon, and you can do that very simply. Just go over to patreon.com/Andy Wright Online and sign up for a monthly donation, which can be as small as $5, which is hardly anything. If you think about it, you can probably get a cup of Costa coffee if you're lucky. But $5 a month will allow you access to all of the videos that I'm going to be bringing out in the next few months, and you will get them at least a week early, so you can entertain yourself with the new episodes. Sorry to bother you, but now back to the video. Premium Economy Lounge. We just waiting for my Concon flight, so it's out. I've been here hour and 15 minutes now. It's actually 3 hours wait, so it's quite a long wait. So we're sat in the Premium Economy Lounge, and the chap is going to be coming back shortly. Well, another hour and 45 minutes, because the plane does not go until 10:30. So I'm glad I paid the extra for it. So I'm up at 11B in the front of the plane. Plus, of course, I think they give you some food as well, which is like, do I really need some more food? Mind you, that's another 2.5 hours yet, so I might be hungry by then. But yeah, the scooter, it went through to oversize as per normal. Very, very annoying. And of course, check-in was 2 minutes, literally. I think we've never had a faster check-in. Just stupid. Why can't they do that every time? Just because it's premium economy, you're paying more money for it, and it's like the business check-in last time on the way home. That was literally 5 minutes. There you go. I'm mostly knackered. I need to get a shower and relax.